What's going on, people? It's Harvey back with another video, and today we're in the infamous Ingle Boxing Gym with future boxing world champion Kid Galahad. How you doing, brother?
I'm good, man.
Good?
Yeah.
Today we're going to work on some physio, we're going to do some treatment, and we're going to give him a little bit of a physical MOT just to help him maintain his physical health. So without further ado, let's get into it. So just basically what I'm doing is I'm just releasing the tension, improving the blood flow, the circulation around the area. How long have you been living up here for?
Oh, I moved here when I was about 11 years old.
Oh wow.
Yeah, from Liverpool. So I've been here ever since.
I see, I don't mind Liverpool.
Yeah, this Sheffield's different. There's not much going on here.
But I suppose it's good for you because of training, right?
Yeah, when you're training, it's training that you can't. Less distraction, there's nothing to do. Yeah. I don't really mind it, I like it up here.
Yeah.
Everyone who comes up here, who I've spoken to, like KJ, Boxer, they always say, oh, I could never move up here.
Yeah. Last time I saw you was the, remember the KSI fight?
Yeah, KSI at Liverpool in LA.
Yeah.
What did you think to it?
It was good, it was alright. It was good.
Fight, weren't it?
Huh?
Mad fight, weren't it?
Yeah.
That was a good fight.
And then Billy Joe was on the undercard.
Yeah, Billy Joe, Devin Haney. He's definitely not Indian.
Nah, 100% Indian, bro.
Are you 100% Indian?
Yeah.
No way. You look more Slovakian.
That's the first time I heard that one.
What do I look like?
You're 100% Indian.
100%.
With a bit of Pakistani.
You from like
The Middle East,
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Yemen. So how long are you here for?
Day. Literally.
1 day.
Just gonna bang it out tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then that's it. Tomorrow night, come home.
You've not even been here on 1 hour.
I'm like,
Man's not even been an hour, you know. I was thinking I need to go home.
as soon as I touch down,
Literally.
some out the air. Like, boy. But everyone here is polite. Like, you know, like loads of people give me way and stuff like that. You go to London, boy, you'll be lucky.
You still see Ubhi.
KSI.
Yeah, you still see KSI.
Yeah, I see him like every week.
Every week, yeah.
Yeah, so he's still like maintaining his body and stuff
Is
like
he
that.
training or what? Or
Yeah, he's doing like he's getting by, if you know what I mean.
yeah.
He might fight again. You know that guy's brother?
Yeah.
Jake Paul.
Yeah,
Yeah, he might fight him again. Get that Warrington match back.
yeah. That's good.
That was a sick fight. Me personally, I thought you won.
Yeah.
I thought you won as well, man.
That's the fight we'll actually get. We've got IBF.
Yeah.
So I think they give it till November. If he doesn't, he gets stripped.
He gets stripped?
Yeah.
What do you reckon he won't strip him, isn't it?
I don't think he'll give up, to fair with you, because he's got no other options. But I do know he doesn't want to fight me. He has tried a lot of things to avoid me. He obviously signed with Matchroom
To avoid you.
yeah, because he thought if he signs with the
Because he knew, innit? Oh shit, man got a bit lucky there. I don't want to fight him now.
This time it's going to be a different fight though. We'll see. He ain't gone 12.
Nah, to be fair, your muscles, like, they hardly got knots or anything. You stretch and stuff.
Yeah, I do. You know, to be fair with you, I go for physio twice a week, mate.
Yeah.
So train twice a day. One day Tuesday, once on a Wednesday, twice on a Thursday, twice on a Friday. Do you know what I mean? Saturday, once on a Saturday.
And Sunday off.
Yeah, Sunday off.
Boy, I'm saying what, around 4 or 5 if that Warrington fight happens again.
I'll tell you something.
Huh?
I'm not all the month to 7, 8. because he's gonna get a serious defeat in this one.
Yeah, you don't know what's coming to him, boy.
Nassim Mohammed's son fights here as well, isn't it?
Yeah, yes.
Trains there.
Trains him, Adam's son.
I heard that you got into boxing through him. You met at a mosque, I think. I remember.
We met him at the local mosque, and I said to him, "Dad's want to be a champion like you." Because if you want to be a champion like me, you need to go and find this man called Brendan Ingle.
The rest is history, boy.
Yeah, literally.
The road's named after him.
Yeah.
Yeah, Brendan Ingle. Yeah.
Brendan Ingle Way, I think.
And he picked your ring name as well.
Yeah.
If I'm correct.
Yeah, you're right. He knows his stuff.
The cameraman doesn't agree with it, boy.
I never go and see a client without knowing.
Why call himself KSI?
Because from what I know, it stands for knowledge, strength, and integrity.
Okay.
But I don't know how he got the name. If you're a KSI fan, comment below how we got the name KSI, because we're not sure. And whilst you're there, smash that like button right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Let's continue with the video.
And make sure, if you like that button, you're going to do a prize for the person who gets the right answer.
Yeah.
Why it's called KSI. Harvey's going to give you 10 grand.
Oh
Cash.
man.
And drop it off to you.
King Galahad will meet me in the middle. We'll make it 20. Would you ever want to fight in the Middle East, like Saudi Arabia? So?
Yeah, 100%. You've got to go there
Go-
and fight.
Go back home, innit?
Yeah, it's a weird one, isn't it?
Like, you know, like when you get Hoover sometimes,
Yeah.
and you put it on your body.
Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Oh man, a lot of X-rated stuff, man. You and these machines.
I'm talking about a piece of flesh. I'm not talking about nothing mad.
I'm just saying it off, man. Allow it, man. I've never done that with the Uber. Have you? Cameraman, have you ever done that with the Uber?
Nah, never, bro.
Nah, he has. No.
Man's got a Hoover fetish.
Oh man, love me. What I meant.
Have you watched the scary movie?
Yeah.
But man, Doofy when he's playing with the Uber. That's odd, man.
Now that's you, man. What drives you then?
Me.
What's that like? What gives you that? Obviously the peas, but what else? Is there anything?
At the end of the day, what I've got in life so far has been from boxing.
Yeah.
I'm a boxer.
Yeah.
I'm nothing more than a boxer. So most of these fighters get carried away. They think, oh yeah, you know, I'm a celebrity, I'm this and that. At the end of the day, you've got to just make sure you keep on top of your craft no matter what.
No matter what.
No matter what you do, as long as I'm fighting, I've got to make sure I'm top of my craft and always trying to get better and trying to, you know,
better yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Nah, that's facts.
And that's what you've got to do. You know, I don't want to be one of these fighters who just come and go. You know, I believe I'll be a champion probably from this year or the beginning of this year, probably 5 or 6 years, reigning champion. You know, I'll be one of the best featherweights to lead, the best featherweights to ever be in England. Remember that. So save this video. And
we're gonna save this video.
5 or 6 years time.
We're gonna reclip it as well.
You're gonna come back, and we're gonna say, "Man, I told you."
Yeah, you had it first in England gym. Undisputed featherweight champion. See, that's what it is. So basically, when boxers get this celebrity status, they forget that they're a boxer. Kid Galahad just gave a good example of that. Floyd Mayweather was smashing the pieces. But you know, Logan Paul's weight is
14.5 stone.
Cruiserweight.
Yeah, cruiserweight. That's what I was thinking when I seen that.
I don't know how that's gonna happen.
Don't matter though, because you're it is. He doesn't really know how to fight. He doesn't really know how to fight. Like KSI and thing are good, but they're not
boxers.
You got to remember, Floyd Mayweather is a veteran, seasoned. He knows what he's doing. Got a lot of experience. He's been fighting since he was about, you know, a baby, 3 or 4 years old. Logan Paul probably been training, I don't know, 6 months, 7 months. Yeah. He'll probably do the same thing what he did to Conor McGregor kind of thing.
Smashed him. And Manny Pacquiao will do the same thing to Conor McGregor as well.
I think Pacquiao's more ruthless.
Pacquiao will rip him into shreds, man.
Yeah, I think Pacquiao probably do him inside.
Tuesday, I think even.
Yeah, it could be 4 rounds. Because Conor McGregor's game for 4 rounds.
There you go. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. There we go. Yeah, that's calm, that was it.
Yeah,
Good, brother.
respect that as well.
Yeah, it's calm. It's alright, brother. There you have it. Future world champion, Kid Galahad. Trains, eats, sleeps boxing. Super dedicated. Be sure to check his Instagram out. Check his socials out. Don't forget to smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And turn the notification bell on. Peace.